The African gray parrot, known scientifically as Psittacus erythicus, thrives in the rainforests of Central and West Africa, where its diet consists largely of seeds, fruits, and nuts. This captivating bird is renowned for its remarkable intelligence, capable of mimicking human speech with astonishing accuracy, and some individuals can even learn over 1,000 words using them in context. In the wild, these parrots often travel in flocks, creating a stunning aerial display as they soar between the trees. Their ability to form strong social bonds is evident as they interact closely with humans, showcasing their talent for communication and engaging personalities. In captivity, African gray parrots thrive when provided with stimulating environments, often playing with toys that challenge their intellect. Their curiosity and keen observation skills allow them to engage with the world around them, making every moment an opportunity for learning and interaction.